Okay, so here we are filtering restaurants by their rating. We are getting only the 5-star restaurants. Now back in the browser, if you open up the console, you see a warning. Using an unspecified index. Consider adding index on. So Firebase client is suggesting to add an index to optimize the performance of this query. To add an index, we go to Firebase. On the database page, we go to Rules tab. You have seen this before. So we have the rules for reading and writing data, and we also define our indexes here. So after write, I'm going to add a new property. The name of this property is going to be restaurants, because I want to define an index for the objects at this location. Now I set this to a new object, and this object is going to have a property called .indexOn. So all the properties that are prefixed with dot are specific to Firebase, like .read, .write, .indexOn. And the value of this property should be an array. And here we add all the properties on which we apply filters. So in this example, we are filtering by rating, so we add that here. Maybe somewhere else in our application, we have another query that is filtering restaurants by their city. So I would add address/city here. Now, what if we are filtering based on the value of a simple key value pair? For example, here, we are getting all the cuisines, we are ordering them by their value, and pulling out those with the value set to Italian. In this case, we get only one object. How do we apply an index on the value? Very easy. One more time, we add a property here. We're going to define an index for our cuisines. So I add that here. Set it to an object. .indexOn. Now, because we're not filtering by a child property, in fact, we're filtering by the value. So we set this to .value. Now, every time you make changes here, as I explained before, you need to publish these changes. Now, back in our Pepper app, if you refresh the page, this warning is going to go away. Next, I'm going to show you how to limit the number of objects you return from the server.